Hello students, greetings of the day. I welcome you to the online classes of Blooming Birds Code School Sambhal. Today we are going to study the next topic of our chapter, representation of geographical feature, and that topic is scale. So we have already studied about various physical as well as cultural features and its representation, various geographical features and its representation. Now, distance between the two places is also one of the, you can say, geographical feature. And how do we represent that? Like suppose you must have thought sometime that the distance, if you are drawing map of Sambal or on a paper, and then you draw that map, right? And that map on that paper is around, you can say, 10 centimeter long or 15 centimeter long and 15 centimeter wide. So on that 15 into 15 centimeter sheet, you are going to draw the map of Sambal, right? So on that map you will show the Sambal, which is having very large area, right? Getting or not? Deepa Sarai is there, Sarai Tareen is there, Chaudhary Sarai is there. So many Sarais, it is having a very big area, right? Around, you can say, 50-kilometer width and 50-kilometer, you can say, 50-kilometer length. Then it is around 2,500 square kilometer area it is having, right? So that 2,500 kilometer square area you are going to draw on paper. So will you be able to do that? How will you do that? You will do that by reducing that actual area of Sambal in proper ratio and proportions on paper. Like suppose if the distance, actual distance between Deepa Sarai and Chaudhary Sarai is 5 kilometer, right? So what you will do on paper, you will take it 5 centimeter, right? Likewise, the distance between this bus stand and Deepa Sarai is again 4 kilometer, right? So what you will take on map, you can take it 4 centimeter, right? So we reduce the distances in proper ratio and proportion, right? So that their ratios and proportion of the place between two places or more places doesn't get changed or affected. Okay, getting or not? So that work is done with the help of scale, right? Scale, when we talk about scale, then the definition of scale is it is the ratio between the distance of any 2 points on a map and the actual distance of the same 2 points on the earth's surface, right? Like suppose if we are having these 2 points, this is point A and this is point B. Suppose the distance between this A and B is 5 centimeter. How much? 5 centimeter, right? 5 centimeter. Five centimeter, right? So what will be the actual distance, right? What will be the actual distance? That we will try to find out that what will be the actual distance. First of all, let me tell you, it is a ratio between the distance of any 2 points on a map and the actual distance of the same 2 points on the earth surface, right? So this distance is 5 centimeter, and say that the actual distance between these 2 points is 5 kilometer, right? So this is the scale, right? If it is written 5 centimeter or 5 kilometer is written somewhere like this, so it shows that Okay, this is the distance between the two places A and B, and the distance on paper is 5 centimeter, and on ground is 5 kilometer, right? Or you can write it like this also: 5 centimeter by 5 kilometer. Clear? Now, now, what are the different types of scales? So there are three types of scale: statement scale, representative fraction (RF), and linear scale. What is a statement scale? Statement scale is just like a statement that it is written sometime like this here: 1 centimeter on map is equals to 10 kilometer on ground. If on a map this statement is written, right, then it is called statement scale. In this, 1 centimeter on map is equals to 100 kilometer on ground. So it is saying that if you are taking measuring distance on the map, right, and then that distance on the map is 1 centimeter, it means that actual distance will be 10 kilometer, right? Suppose if one map is here and the distance between point P and Q is 10 centimeter, right? So the actual distance will be 10 into 10 is equals to 100 kilometer, because 1 centimeter is equals to 10 kilometer, so 10 centimeters will be equals to 100 kilometer. If like this it is given, this is called representative statement scale. Then second scale is representative fraction (RF), right? So in maps, when maps are given here like this, then what happens? You see at the bottom that something like this is written always: 1 is to 10 lakh, 1 is to 10 lakh. So this type of scale is called representative fraction, right? It is saying that okay, 1 unit on map is equals to 10 lakh of units on ground. Unit, you may take whichever unit you are taking on map, that same unit you will take on ground also. If you are taking here centimeter, then here centimeter. If you are taking here kilometer, then here kilometer you will take. If you are taking here millimeter, then here you will take millimeter. So suppose if you are measuring the distance between the two places YZ, and that distance you are measuring with the help of a scale, and this is coming 10 centimeter. How much it is coming? 10 centimeter, right? So one map is here and there are two places Y and Z, and these are 10 centimeter. The distance between Y and Z is 10 centimeter. Now which unit we have taken? We have taken centimeter, right? Here they are saying that 1 unit on map will be equals to 10 lakh unit on ground. So here we are taking centimeter. So here we will take centimeter, and here also we will take centimeter. Now it is 10 centimeter, right? So if 1 centimeter is equals to 10 lakh centimeter, then what will happen? 10 centimeters will be in proportion to 1 crore. 1 crore centimeter. So it is the distance on map and it is the distance on ground. 10 centimeter on map and 1 crore on sorry, 10 centimeter on paper and 1 crore on ground, right? So here we know that in 1 centimeter there are, sorry, in 1 kilometer there are 1 lakh centimeter, right? So in 1 crore centimeter there will be 100 kilometer, or if 1 kilometer is equals to 1 lakh centimeter, then 100 kilometer will be equals to 1 crore centimeter. So it will be how much? You can say 100 kilometer. Now third is linear scale. Linear scale, sometimes this type of line is there, right? This is topo sheet, topographical map, and below that this type of scale is drawn. Okay, so this scale tells us that uh, what how much centimeter on paper will be equals to how many kilometers on ground. Like here centimeter they have shown downside, upside kilometer. Here downside 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, upside 0 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. So it means that 1 centimeter on paper is equals to 0.5 kilometer on ground, or half kilometer on ground. Likewise 2 centimeter on paper will be equals to 1 kilometer on ground. 3 centimeter on map, topographical map or paper will be equals to 1.5 kilometer on ground. Likewise 4 centimeter will be equals to 2 kilometers on ground. So this is called linear scale. Like suppose if here bus stand is there, BS, and here we are having Chaudhary Sarai. The distance between this, here we can say it is 2, here we can say it is 4. So the distance is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Distance will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 centimeter, right? If we measure from here and here, the distance will be 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter on 6 centimeter on paper will be equals to 3 kilometer on ground. 6 centimeter will be equals to 3 kilometer on ground. Like this we find the scales. Again I am telling you, suppose this is bus stand and this is Chaudhary Sarai. When we measure the distance between these two, what we will get? This line is pointing towards 1, okay, or 2, sorry, this is towards downside 2. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, right? So 2, and the downside we are having, this is 8, right? So 8 minus 2, the distance will be how much? It will be 6. From here to here it will be 6, right? So it means 6 centimeter distance, right? 6 centimeter distance, and from here we know that 1 centimeter is equals to half kilometer. So 6 centimeter will be equals to 3 kilometer. Like this we will find out the distance between the two places with the help of this linear scale. Now, how do we measure distances? We measure distances by two ways. Direct method is there, right, with the help of a scale, and indirect distances or curved distances are there, right? Like suppose if this is a direct distance, so what you will do, you will just keep a scale here, right, and you will measure the distance. But suppose if there is a you can say road like this, zigzag road is there, right, car track is there, suppose, right? So how you will measure the distance for this car track? Take a thread, keep that thread on this, okay, cover it with that thread, and after that take out that thread and measure the length of that thread or yarn with the help of scale, right? If it measures 10 centimeters or 12 centimeters, however it measures, okay, that will be the distance of this point to this point, right? Suppose point A and point B on this road, terminal A and terminal B, right? The distance between terminal B and terminal A will be that much distance, which you will measure with the help of a thread. First keep thread here like this, and after that what you will do, you will measure the distance of that thread. If it is coming 10 centimeter, then 10 centimeter on ground on paper will be equals to 5 kilometer on ground, right? Because here 1 centimeter is equals to 0.5 kilometer on ground. So this way there are two methods: first measuring straight lines, and second measuring the curved lines, okay, right? So straight lines can be measured directly with the help of a scale, and curved lines with the help of thread and scale. Like this we will measure the distances. So this was all about scale, types, and the distance, how to measure the distances. Thank you so much.